Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. And today in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your Google account permanently from your phone. This is delete, I mean you couldn't recover it later. Okay, so if you really want to learn how to do that, then please watch my full video carefully. So before starting the process, I'll ask you something, that please subscribe my channel and give also like this video. So let's start. So for deleting your Google account from your phone, you need to go to your Gmail application. So let me go mine, and after that you will see here your profile icon. So let me click this one, and after that maybe you will find out lots of Gmail application in here. Gmail account in here. So you need to choose that Gmail account, I mean which Gmail account you want to delete. Okay, so I want to delete my this Gmail account, and after choosing it, again click here your profile icon, then click here manage your Google account, this option, and after that just wait for a few seconds, then just scroll down and you need to find out this one which is data and privacy. So let me click this one, and after that just scroll down again, and in the bottom you will find another option which is delete your Google account. Okay, not this one, delete a Google service, this is actually different. So you want to delete your Google account, so you need to click the last one. So let me click this one, and after that it will ask for your phone password. Okay, so let me give my phone password, and you can download your data before deleting, so you can read this caution. So you will see in here how many email you got, and if you have YouTube channel you will also see in here. And after that just select these two options, and if you click here delete account, that time your account will be deleted. And sometimes it will ask maybe your Gmail account password, so if it asked, that time just give your that Gmail account password and your account will be deleted. So that's it guys. So thank you so much for watching this video.